In this video, I'll show you everything you need to know about pie charts in Excel, what they are, when to use them, how to prepare your data, and how to fully customize your charts. So let's get started. First of all, what is a pie chart? A pie chart is a circular graph that shows how parts of a whole are divided. Each slice represents a category, and the size of each slice shows its proportion compared to the total. Now let's break this down. For example, if you're managing a budget, you can use a pie chart to see how much you spend on rent, food, and transport. So that rent, food, and transport represent the different categories or represent the slice of different categories you get, and they are divided into different proportions as well. So pie chart works best when you want to show proportions or percentage, like I just said, compare a few categories, highlight how each part contributes to a whole, or display a data that adds up to 100%. Avoid pie charts if you have many categories or if you want to track data over time. Bar charts or line graphs are better for that. So before inserting a pie chart, your data must be simple. It could contain about two columns, one for categories and one for values. So you need to make sure that the values are numeric, that is, they are all numbers and there is no blank cell in your range. So the first thing you want to do is to highlight your entire data set, which I'm going to be doing now. So once that is done, you need to go to your insert tab, is at the right hand side of your home tab. So you click on your insert tab and then you go to your charts section. Your chart section, you can see my cursor hovering around it. Your chart section. So when you're in your chart section, you need to click on the pie chart icon. So you could either choose the 2D pie, the 3D pie, or the donut one. So the donut is usually my favorite. So I'm going to be doing that. So once I click it, Excel will instantly generate a chart showing how my values compare. So now how do you customize your pie charts? You could change the title. So you could click on the default title and type your own preferred title. For example, you could say monthly budget breakdown. Monthly budget breakdown, or whatever that suits your description. You could also add data labels. So to add data labels, all you need to do is to click on the pie chart and then you click on these chart elements that are represented by something that seems like a cross. So when you click on that, you could tap here to add data labels. Helps you know how this proportion has been evenly or has been distributed, as the case may be. So these data labels shows the actual values or the actual percentage. Another thing you could do is to change the colors. You quickly come here to the chart styles and then you click and come over to colors. So this is where you could change the colors or change the chart design. You go to style, you can change the chart design and choose any design of your choice. Get, and then you can go to colors and choose any color theme of your choice. And that's how to create a customized pie chart in Excel. Now you can represent your data visually and professionally. So if this video helps you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone learning Excel. See you in the next video.